Hey everybody, it's MarisaLowe, and I am an independent presenter with Younique, and it's been literally a hot minute since I have made a makeup video or any video. So I've been missing you guys and wanted to get on here. I mean, there's a lot going on with Younique and a lot of good things going on. And so I just wanted to come on here and talk to you guys. Now, I think the last time I made a video could have been like the beginning of July. So, for real, it's been quite a long time ago. I think I maybe made video right before we went on our amazing vacation to Oregon and Washington State. We went there this summer to visit family we hadn't seen in forever, in years, and so it was a great trip. So I'm ready to come back. I'm ready to share with you guys all about my makeup and beauty, and yeah. So I want to tell you, one of the big questions I got asked by a lot of family was what was my number one or what was my favorite product with Younique. Now, there's a lot of great products. Younique has many great products. This product actually wasn't my favorite product when I started because we didn't have it when I first started. But as soon as it came out, I mean, the first time that I put this product on, like on my lashes, is that getting you close to what I'm talking about? Yeah. What I'm talking about is our Epic Mascara, okay? And the first time I put on my lashes and I was like, yes, ma'am. Yes. Like, this mascara was amazing. Like, I'm kind of picky about my mascara, to be honest. I did love our 3D mascara with the fibers, but I have contacts, and for me, when this came out, it was just, I didn't have to deal with fibers or anything like that, because my eyes, for me, are really sensitive, and so this product right here worked out perfect for me. I loved it. It was a perfect dark black formula. It went on smoothly. It didn't clump. It curled up my lashes because it has a curling agent in there. So it curled up my lashes. I didn't really need to even use a, what are they called? The thing that lifts up your curl. Curling, lash curler, there you go. I didn't even need that to use this, okay? And for me, you know, I'm a busy mom. I'm trying to get out the door a lot of the times. And a lot of times, I'll be honest, I won't even wear makeup. But if I have my mascara and a good lip, then I'm good to go, okay? So, this video is answering that question. What is your favorite product, okay? So, my favorite product is, by far, Epic Mascara. If you've never tried Younique, like you've never given it a whirl, this is one product I want you to try. I want to give you that challenge. If you have never tried any Younique products, and maybe you're a guy and you're like, yeah, we do have skincare, by the way, but I'm not trying that mascara. You have a special sister, you have a special wife, you have a special girlfriend, you have a special fiance, you have a special aunt, a grandma, someone special in your life that you can buy this mascara. Now, I say that when I say that to guys is because, one, you're helping a friend out, which is me, because I do this. That's another question I'm going to answer. A lot of people ask, well, why do you even do Younique? Like, why? Well, one, yeah, I like makeup because it's pretty and makes me feel good about myself, but that's not why I like, you know, that's not the only reason why. I do it because I wanted to find something that I could do on the side where I could still stay home with my boys where I could still feel like I'm contributing to our family. And my husband is a full-time firefighter, and a lot of you know firefighters don't make a ton of money, so there's a lot of overtime that goes into it to be able to have me at home with my kids. Okay, so I'm doing this to help out my husband, because one day, hopefully one day, my business will be able to help him so he isn't always having to pick up the overtime and he's hanging out with his family. Okay, so that's why I do Younique. I do Younique so we can help pay some of the bills. I do Younique so I can help when my kids want to play football. You know, pay for all these little things that we need for our family, so my husband isn't having to pick up that overtime all the time. That is why I do Younique. But I also love Younique. Younique is a great company. You know, there's many companies that I could have chose. I've chose Younique because it has a cause that's very dear to my heart, that I love to be able to help, and that is with our Younique Foundation. Our company has a retreat where young women and adolescent children can go for 1 week to start the healing process of being sexually abused as a child. So, and if you want to help out, anytime that you make a purchase with any of our products, you can always round up your money to the nearest dollar, and now actually you can donate more. It gives you 3 different options, but you can always round up your money to the nearest dollar to help out. That money goes towards our foundation. Also, on a note, this month we have a cause, our Defend Innocence cause that we have. 100% of the profit made on the collection, the exclusive collection we have this month, goes to that cause. And what it is it gives out resources, it provides materials, it provides videos to help parents talk to their children about sexual child abuse, okay? And it's just a way to discuss ways to talk with our children about sexual abuse. And 100% of the profit made from this collection this month goes to that cause. So it's a really great cause. And it comes with very great makeup. You're going to get a pressed shadow that lasts forever, has primer inside of it, so it will last forever. It comes with a lip powder. If you remember when I did a video and I did different looks with our lip powders that we had a while back, it comes with the lip powder, and it also comes with a dip and draw eyeliner. So you get all that, and it goes to a great cause. So if you're wanting to help out our foundation, that is something that you can do. But anytime you buy any of our products, you're able to help out our foundation. And our foundation, like I was saying, it's a week-long retreat. There's counselors there. They feed everybody there for that week. They don't have to pay for anything for that full week, okay? They get all the resources, everything, counseling, everything they need to do to start their healing process. And it also gives them resources in their own communities so they can continue on that process. The only thing that they pay for is a ticket to get there, but once they're there, everything is paid for, and it's a full long retreat. And I just think it's amazing that I chose a company that is so caring and so loving, and I'm glad to be part of that. So yeah, I could have picked any company with makeup, but I chose Younique because 1, our products are amazing. 2, we have a great foundation that we stand for. So I love to be part of that. Okay, let's get back on this. About my favorite product, our Epic Mascara, I had one, not negative, okay? I had one friend that bought it, and she was like, I love it, it's the best, but the only thing that she didn't like. Now, she is a Beachbody coach, and she teaches a turbo kit class. So she likes to wear mascara just to, you know, to feel pretty to do her class. The one drawback she said was that she just wished that this was waterproof. Well, hello. Because August 20th, we came out with a new epic waterproof mascara, and also we came out with a brown color. Now the brown color is great if you have red hair or if you have light blonde hair and you don't want the really black color. The brown is great for you. But with all of this said, I want to tell you about something that is pretty amazing with our mascara, okay? Now, you can always buy this mascara from me just as is. Like, you're like, I just want one mascara, bink, that's it, right? Okay. But now, we have a subscription. We have a prestige subscription service. Now, how many of you guys, like, you hate when you run out of mascara? You're like, oh shoot, now I have to go buy my mascara. Now I have to go talk to Reese about buying a mascara. Oh goodness, okay? Well, you don't have to worry about that anymore. You don't have to run out of it anymore. You are going to love the subscription thing. It's not something you have to sign up for. Like I said, you can always get this on its own and be done. But if you are someone that you don't want to run out of mascara, you love this mascara, you know you're going to go back to this mascara, because anyone that buys this usually, I mean, they're hooked. I mean, I was hooked, not just because I'm a Younique person. I love this mascara. It's the best, okay? So, you can pick to have this in a subscription, like, box. You get free shipping with it. Every time it comes to you, you get free shipping. So you're saving $5.50 right there just by filling out the subscription thing. The subscription box is easy to start and it's easy to cancel. Okay? I'm just putting it out there because sometimes people think, oh gosh, now if I sign up for this, I'm going to have to stay on it forever and then, you know, what the heck? No. It's not like that at all. Younique isn't like that. It's not like we're some places where they're like, you get the discount if you sign up for 3 months. No. It's not like that at all. Okay? You get to choose if you want it sent to you every 30 days, 45 days, 60 days, or 90 days. Okay? And also, Younique is awesome because they're going to send you an email. It's like you sign up for the 30-day one. And then they send you an email and it says, you know, as a reminder, this much money, $24 is going to be coming out on this date because you signed up for the subscription service. Do you still want it? It's giving you kind of like a reminder, like, so that way you're not like, oh, wait, what? What did I do? Because, you know how sometimes you sign up for things and then you're, whatever. So like, you sign up for that one, and then you're like, oh shoot, I don't have any money in my account. I can't do the 30-day one. You can change it. You can change it to a different 45, 60, or 90-day. Or maybe you just say, you know what, I don't even know if I can buy it. I don't even know if I have the money in my account for those other times. I need to cancel it till I know. You can do that. Click, cancel. That easy as that. They don't care. You're not going to get charged any cancellation fees or anything like that. It's all up to you. But it's awesome in the fact that you're going to save on shipping, $5.50. So, right there. And you know what else? You get free samples of products. What? Yeah. Just for buying the mascara, you're going to get free samples of products, free shipping. It's easy to join and easy to cancel. So, who wouldn't want the subscription box? Like, I know I want it. And I'm actually going to try the waterproof one because you never know. What if you're watching a sad movie and the tears are flowing? You want that waterproof mascara, right? So, anyways, I'm really excited that now we have our one-step epic regular. We have our waterproof Epic, and we have a brown Epic. So yes, so to answer the question that a lot of family were asking me, what is the #1 product that you recommend or that you like? And this one is right here. Epic Mascara. I think it's great. I don't know if you could see, probably look like a freak what I just did, but yeah. Never have to run out. Easy to click it to get that subscription box, and easy to cancel if for some reason you change your mind, you don't want to do it, or you want to change the dates that it comes, or you just want to get rid of it all the way until you can figure out if you need it or want it. It's easy to cancel, okay? Also, I want to remind you that this month, when you buy any of our collections, you can get a free gift. And that is amazing too, because with those collections, you're going to get free shipping, because they're anytime you spend $100 with Younique, you get free shipping. So you get the free shipping, you get a free purse, or you can use it as a makeup bag, and you get a free makeup product with all the products that you're getting a good discount on. Like our shimmering body oil that we had in the summer that everybody was loving, you can get that in one of the collections for free. And that was like $39. Like, what? Yeah. You can also get the free 3D Fiber Lash Mascara to make your lashes even more ba-boom. I think there was some dual eyeshadow in there on one of them. Highlighter. There was all different kinds of products that you could get for free just for getting the collection. So you might want to check those out, because there's some good deals on that. And our Defend Innocence collection ends this month, so if you are wanting to help that cause and you want gorgeous makeup, then you need that collection. And if you need any help with anything, maybe you don't want mascara, maybe you're wanting a good foundation or a good BB cream, talk to me. I will help color match you. I will help you out if you have, maybe you're going to a wedding or a baby shower or something and you want to spruce up that makeup or your beauty routine with some skincare. You can always talk to me, because I'm always here for you, okay? And great day, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye.